कितना प्यारा, looks exactly like lychee. Hello food fam and welcome to another episode of Vietnam food series. और आज के इस episode में
imagine a table so full that you don't know where to start. And today I am at this iconic restaurant Bao's Dim Sum in Vietnam, which is inspired by modern Chinese dining, especially Cantonese dim sum tradition. Now dim sum started as a Cantonese tea house culture, but today we all know it's global. And at Bao's Dim Sum in Vietnam, they take this heritage and give it a modern twist. Their approach is playful.
It's not a fruit, this is a kind of dim sum I'm gonna eat for the first time.
Yet rooted in authenticity. So you think of Shanghai Bao's, Cantonese Hargao, Shui Mai, Peking duck. Every plate feels like a little story of Shanghai in Saigon.
Desserts here are to die for. This is so cute. Sorry, I talk a lot. Okay. My brother is asking me to be quiet. टेबल पे आते ही मुझे इतना प्यारा सा चॉपस्टिक दिखा, स्लीव्स एंड ऑल. आई लव दिस क्यूट पैकेजिंग. लाइक टेबल पे आपको कॉन्डिमेंट्स का एक सेक्शन मिल जाएगा, सोया सॉस, केचप, सॉल्ट, पेपर एंड एवरीथिंग. सो यहाँ पर मैं इनका सारा बेस्ट सेलर्स आइटम खा रही हूँ बिकॉज गर्मा गर्म अभी डिमसम्स आया हुआ है. द फर्स्ट डिमसम विच आई एम ट्राइंग एंड द कलर लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल. आई थिंक ये ब्लू पी फ्लावर से इसको बनाया गया है. सो बेसिकली दिस इज ब्लू ब्लॉसम स्क्विड डम्पलिंग एंड लुक्स स्क्रम्शियसली डिलीशियस. यहाँ पे मेरे को बहुत यूनिक डिप दिखा विच इज टॉमसो डिप. लेट्स टेक इट विद द डिमसम. Chili oil, wow, lovely color. Let's dig in. I'm super excited. वैसे dim sums are supposed to be eaten in a bite, but I really want to show you the filling inside. The squid is tasting so fresh, so good. It's so well minced. It's tasting like prawn, you know. It's so well minced. And the beautiful color of Tomso dip. Oh, translucent, glazy. So they are calling this dip as Tomso dip, but I would say this is amazing chili oil paste. Normally dim sum के साथ जो खाते हैं उसके अलावा इसमें थोड़ा प्याज व्याज भी डाला हुआ है. There's onion and it has a very nice spicy kick. वैसे तो हम यहाँ Peking duck and all बहुत कुछ खाएंगे. Let's try another dim sum. This is a very interesting dim sum I'm trying, which is abalone. But this is abalone shumai. So we have tried shumai, prawn shumai, chicken shumai. But this looks very good. इसके नीचे एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा ग्रेवी दिया हुआ है. And there's a beautiful green color broccoli. This is a baby abalone. Niche, I think there's minced chicken or something. First, let me try the broccoli with the sauce. I want to know what sauce is this. I don't think so. You need chili oil with this. This is bland. This gravy looks slurry की तरह लग रहा है gravy. This gravy looks very different. It's a basic bland gravy, slurried kinda. So I'll be taking the chili oil on top of this abalone. Food fam, this is so good. I've never tried abalone shoyu mai. ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देख के. It's so loaded and perfect. I'll take this in one bite. Prawn shoyu mai और उसके ऊपर ये abalone. ये रह गया. I'll eat now. It's chewy. I mean the chili oil is tasting so good. However, ये वाला जो gravy है, this is no taste. You have to add your chili oil. Otherwise taste नहीं आएगा. Broccoli पूरा steam हो चुका है. Now the next dim sum. This is golden bamboo charcoal prawn dumpling and looks amazing. So well plated और ऊपर से ये एक golden sheet डाला हुआ है. I'll try this standalone पहले without chili oil. Let's see इसका टेस्ट कैसा है. Oh, this is loaded. This is so nice. इसमें chunks of prawn meat है. There's no minced prawn. You know, I can't eat this normally like this, so I have to drizzle some chili oil because I love it. Now look at the color. So beautiful, black and oil on the orange color prawn. Let's dig it. So loaded. It's so fulfilling. I love this. The problem क्या है, ये सब खाने से ना एक खा के पेट नहीं भरता है. You feel like eating more, but there are so many varieties that you again feel like eating all the varieties. But yeah, with that said, let's try our next dim sum, which is the Chung Fang dim sum. वैसे तो Chung Fao, ये this is shrimp Chung Fao, but इधर इनका मेनू में है red shrimp East rice flour roll, and this looks amazing. Beautiful red color. Their pieces are very generous. Like, see, the filling is so good. I love this. इसके अंदर ना something fried crunchy layer and ऊपर है rice roll, that is the steamy rice roll, but अंदर एक crunchy layer है and then there is prawn. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. And this is minced prawn. You don't need the chili dip. ऐसे ही खा सकते हो. It's sweet, savory, crispy, very umami packed. I have to try one with the chili oil. I love this Tomso dip. I love food fam. I'll take it in one bite. The Tomso dip is everything you need at Bao's Dim Sum. It's so good. It was spicy, so I have ordered a drink. You have to see the color looks so pretty. There's some flower. I don't know if it's edible or not, but this looks so good. Floral herbal drink. Let's try. I think this is cocktail. It's mocktail. This is giving me the feeling जैसे आप sip लोगे ना आपको लगेगा that you have reached to a Buddhist temple or so. This is so refreshing and so floral. वैसे तो normally you should start your meal with salad and soup, but the dim sums are so addictive and that is what I was here for. I wanted to try that. But we also have got some greens. यहाँ पर दो है collard greens. One is sauté garlic and Hong Kong salt fried. I have never tried this kind of greens earlier before. So yeah, I'm super excited. I can see some good chilies, bell peppers and onion on this one. This is Hong Kong style salt fried. Let's try. This tastes so good. This is crunchy, tasting very flavorful and umami because of, you know, there's a very nice savory taste and onion and bell pepper देने की वजह से भी बहुत अच्छा taste कर रहा है. This is very such a nice time pass food, like a green item, a salad item which is so addictive. You know the best part about Southeast Asian countries and all these dim sum places, they make साग को भी tasty बना देते हैं. ये तो मैं ऐसे पूरा खा जाऊंगा. This is so light. I also need to keep some for my siblings, but this is so good. Now let's try this sauté garlic one. Lovely. This is cucumber. ये same collard greens है, लेकिन this is a different variation. Gravy noodles में जैसे vegetables होता है ना, it's so perfectly crunchy and soft. Bro, I love this one. अगर ऐसा greens मेरे को कोई दे, मैं daily खा लूंगी. Must try. देखो, अगर कभी आते हो बाउस dim sum तो definitely अच्छा है. आप इसको try कीजिएगा. This is very good. I cannot tell you, I have tried so many sauté beans and sauté pak choy and this way the greens उसका color भी कितना beautifully intact है और taste भी बहुत अच्छा है. Like बहुत ज़्यादा boil नहीं हो गया है. Flavors भी बहुत intact I think. Dim sums तो favorite था ही अभी तक, but ये खाने के बाद I think number 1 मैं इसको बोलूँगी, फिर dim sums को बोलूँगी. Now let's try the next. And here it comes the next item. Now इस item का नाम है, ये मैं pronounce करने का कोशिश कर रही हूँ. So basically this is clay pot shrimp. इसका जो Vietnamese name है that is Tom Tri Thongs dot mayonnaise, golden fried prawn tossed in mayonnaise, and I can see some pineapple chunks and sesame seed on top of the prawn. And so this dish is reminding me of sweet sour prawn, which is a Chinese delicacy. Sweet sour prawn, sweet sour chicken. So yeah, this tastes very nice. Like prawn and pineapple, like prawn fried rice I've heard of. Prawn and pineapple, this tastes so milky because of the mayonnaise, and because of the pineapple there's a slight tanginess which is kind of good. बहुत अच्छा taste कर रहा है. Prawn का पता ही नहीं चल रहा है. That the prawn size is so big, like this big. कलर भी बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. Like मैं कभी इमेजिन नहीं कर सकती हूँ प्रॉन को इस तरह से खाने में, बट कोई अगर प्यार से बना के दे, then yeah, you can give it a try. It's basically a dish on a sweeter note, but I love my prawns to be spicy. What happened, they have given us this very nice sauce with the Peking duck, so I'm gonna try this because I love my food to be spicy. But I think ये sauce भी थोड़ा मीठा ही होगा, या वो ना peanut sauce है. This is peanut spicy peanut sauce. Lovely. This is smoky, nutty and slight spicy. Very nice. This is a chia seed drink which we ordered. Peach iced tea with chia seeds, which looks fab. Let's try. और most importantly उन लोगों ने नीचे orange भी दिया है. This is much needed. Okay, I forgot. I am still left with one dim sum. So ये मैंने लिया है. This is basically egg custard bao. This looks like a muffin to me, but I'm not expecting, because normally आप जब custard bun देखते हैं ना, तो जब आप उसको तोड़ते हैं तो उसमें से एक gooey custardy egg custard निकलता है. So this is egg custard bun. So अभी तो ठंडा हो गया. So cute. So cute. Hey, it's still wobbly. I can expect. Oh my god. Oh wow. टुआंग dim sum में जब खाए थे ना तो उसका वो निकला नहीं था, ठंडा हो गया था. But this is so nice. The color is so pretty. Yellow is my favorite. ये थोड़ा मीठा होगा. This is salted egg custard bao. Fab. This is very nice. The custard is little powderish and creamy, and it's salty sweet. And the bun is super soft, and the color is very cute. My color, that's why it's cute. Egg yolk का बहुत अच्छा taste है. I know you are waiting for me to try the duck dishes. There are 3 duck dishes which I'm going to be trying, but उससे पहले we'll be trying crab noodles in Shanghai style. And this is the spaghetti noodles basically. उसके ऊपर broccoli है, and this is the crab curry जिसके ऊपर मेरे को chunks of crab दिख रहा है, spring onion दिख रहा है, and it's a very thick gravy noodles जैसा gravy है, slurry जैसा. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna just add it completely. And I think this is chili oil. Let me just first taste it. What is it? Chili, oh, this is so nice. Let's add a little bit of chili oil. ओके, यहाँ पर मैं बात कर रही थी इनके अटेंडेंट के साथ, तो जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि मेरे को इनका चिली डिप बहुत अच्छा लगा, दैट इज इन हाउस मेड। एंड इन्होंने मेरे को एक चीज बहुत अच्छा इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया, डिप है ना दैट कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग, वीकेंड में फिर दूसरा इन हाउस मेड चिली डिप रहता है। सो बिफोर दैट लेट अस जस्ट फर्स्ट मिक्स दिस नूडल्स। I think too much of mixing, then the noodles are thick, so I'm not gonna give slurp a try. मैं इसको ऐसे ही खाने वाली हूँ because I'll fail in the slurp. Let's dig in. Taste of the crab का इतना अच्छा स्टॉक इसमें इन्फ्यूज हुआ है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा सी फूडिश नहीं लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा बैलेंस है। एंड वो चिली ऑयल डालेंगे, अगर आप चिली ऑयल नहीं डालोगे ना थोड़ा मीठा मीठा होगा, बिकॉज क्रैब मीट का नेचुरल टेस्ट इज स्वीट, बट चिली ऑयल डालने की वजह से इट्स सो गुड। ये तो एक ही साथ आ जाएगा पूरा। मेरा 2 बाइट में आधा बोल खत्म हो गया एंड माई ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स आर लाइक छोटा बाइट ले, बिकॉज यू हैव टू टेक इट अ लोडेड बाइट, देन ओनली देयर विल बी अ ब्लास्ट ऑफ फ्लेवर्स इनसाइड योर माउथ। I'm not gonna take another bite. I'm gonna keep this for my siblings. This is fab. ठंडा हो गया फिर भी बहुत टेस्टी लग रहा है। Crab noodle in Shanghai style is a must try at Bao's Dim Sum. What if I tell you that this is not lychee? This is not a fruit. This is a kind of dim sum I'm gonna eat for the first time. This looks so beautiful. Looks exactly like lychee. This is salted egg custard lychee. So basically salted egg है अंदर और ये ऊपर I think सागो दिया हुआ है, सागो fried. This is so good. This is prawn and prawn के अंदर salted egg है and this is savory. ये outer layer जो है this is fried sago. This is so good. One of a kind dim sum I had. My goodness, this is so good. I love this. Bro, this is so cute. Food मैम ये कितना प्यारा और cute है. So this is basically golden turtle baked cheese bar and this looks so cute. It's from the bakery section and yeah, सब perfect है यार। इसका पीछे का turtle का जो पीठ भी बनाया है बहुत ही प्यारे तरीके से परफेक्ट शेप दिया हुआ है। दिस इज द फेस। ये लगता है कॉफी वॉफी के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, कॉफी वगैरह के साथ खाएंगे। दिस इज बेसिकली अ स्वीट सेवरी बन। फाइनली नाउ वी आर हियर टू ट्राई द पेकिंग डक। पेकिंग डक आई डोंट नो मैंने कभी खाया भी है कि नहीं। आई थिंक आई हैव हैड बट कब खाया था आई डोंट रिमेंबर। सो दिस आर बेसिकली पेकिंग डक स्किन स्प्रिंग रोल। सो आपने देखा ही था कि गरम पेकिंग डक आया था, उन्होंने इतने ब्यूटीफुली शी हैज स्लाइस्ड अप दिस पेकिंग डक स्किन एंड देन ये राइस पेपर रोल में शी रोल्ड इट अप एंड इसके साथ ये वेजीज एंड ये सब दिया हुआ है एंड वी हैव गॉट स्पाइसी स्मोकी पीनट डिप विद दिस। सो व्हाट यू गोना डू, यू गोना टेक दिस एंड ये स्किन के अंदर इफ यू वांट यू कैन ऐड your veggies and then just roll this up, take this sauce and now let's dig in. The skin is chewy, the rice roll is very soft, but this peanut dip is tasting very good. But I want to try normally with the skin and the roll. There's no taste, so you have to eat this with the peanut dip. With the peanut dip, it's fab. This is so handy, like light. लेते जाओ खाते जाओ। Oh, स्किन के अंदर ऑलरेडी उन्होंने वो वेजीज डाला हुआ है क्यूकम्बर। इफ यू वांट आप एक्स्ट्रा भी ऐड कर सकते हो, बट यार द डक स्किन इज उमामी एंड ऑयली। आप सोच रहे होगे ना मैं कितना खा चुकी हूँ, रुको जरा वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक देखो बिकॉज अभी भी और भी खाना है। ओनली सिंपल फूडी कैन पुल दिस ऑफ बिकॉज फॉर दिस फूड ट्रिप आई हैव लिटरली worked really hard before coming to this trip so that I can eat my heart out. So basically this is my birthday treat kind of trip where my Vietnam itinerary is all about sip and slurp. But yeah, Bittu Bhaiya is trying the peking duck with the chili oil. Chili oil के साथ ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है।
पीनट के संग भी अच्छा लग रहा है बट बहुत लोगों को पीनट का स्ट्रॉन्ग टेस्ट नहीं पसंद।
With 2 dishes, this is roasted Peking duck saute fried noodles. This is roasted Peking duck with garlic and sea salt. I'll try this because ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था। मैं बीच में जब मैंने ब्रेक ले रही थी तब I was just trying and munching on the garlic. The garlic was tasting very good. Let's try this. This is so good. Normally मैंने जब भी duck खाया ना, duck meat is very chewy. But this is so soft, so nice and perfectly crunchy and perfectly soft and juicy also. इतना ठंडा हो गया फिर भी. Bro, this is so good. The duck is really good. I think अब मेरे को थोड़ा fuller feel हो रहा है after eating this duck, but this duck is very tasty, very tasty. Bro, this is so addictive. मैं duck इसलिए नहीं खाती हूँ क्योंकि duck बहुत chewy होता है मीट उसका. But इन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से बनाया. Okay, food fam. So this is the last dish, which is the Peking duck stir fry noodles. This is very tasty, but I'm so full because I have to keep room for the desserts. They have some yummy desserts also. Oh, fab! This smells so good. good. It smells very good and the noodles are so thin. कितना bouncy है, thin है. Very nice. Rice noodles है but बहुत अच्छे से cook किया है. Very nice. I've never tried rice noodles like ऐसे stir fried. Chicken chow mein taste कर रहा है. This is tasting exactly like chicken chow mein. Very loaded duck है, Peking duck. इसमें carrot है, capsicum है, shiitake mushroom है. And this rice noodles is tasting so good. इसको इतना अच्छे से stir fry किया है. So I've been doing this for 5 years and I love because travel helps me with stories. So different culture, different people, different countries have different food stories, no? Ultimately food is something which binds us all together. This is the only way we connect. Yeah. Without any racism or casteism or something. This is one thing, if you're on the table you will talk. It's only the food which help us talk. So that is something which really excites me. So I keep traveling all over. Sorry, I talk a lot. Okay. My brother is asking me to be quiet.
Don't worry, I would really love to ask the reason because like we at our restaurant we don't really have a lot of foreigners to come and then we really appreciate all the food and it's really nice.
Yes.
To hear. Thank you so much. And now
Most welcome.
I think, no longer for you guys to break. We will come with the dinner.
Yes, thank you so much. And sorry that I'm very talkative. So I was just having a conversation with them and it's like जैसे कि मैंने उनको कहा कि वियतनाम कोई आएगा तो हर कोई तो ऐसा नहीं जो वियतनाम में इस खाना खाना चाहेगा. So these are the food items which are easily available and people are aware about this cuisine and this food. This is one of the place where people can opt for. But now I think ये conversation के बाद मेरा खाना थोड़ा settle हो चुका है and I'm super excited to try out the delicious, good-looking, cute-looking desserts. So yeah, let's dig in. Desserts here are to die for. Like these are so cute. So cute and so cute. I love this. Turtle is so jiggly. This is so cute. I love this. I love this. I don't feel like breaking this, but yeah, let's try. I think there's some condensed milk kind of base. जैसे वो tres leches होते हैं ना. This is kind of jelly with tres leches milk. Oh, coffee flavor है क्या? It's bitter. Oh हाँ, the jelly is little bitter and the milk base is sweet. It's very nice. Let's try the fish. This looks so cute. All the desserts are so cute. I don't feel like breaking this. Bro, that one was so good. That's bitter and sweet and वो ना bitterness after taste में आ रहा है. And very nice. Let's try this. First, let's see what is this soup for. उसमें तो वो था. ये coffee है क्या? A solid, strong coffee base and this jelly. This is so good. इसका पूंछ खाते हैं. This is made with coconut milk. Coconut milk jelly pudding with strong bitter coffee. This is so good. I think उन दोनों में से मेरे को ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. Such a lovely flavor of coconut milk in it. Very nice. Let's try their traditional Vietnamese dessert. I can see some lychee and this is also jelly, coconut jelly, looking like tofu. Let's try. Oh, this is so refreshing. And यहाँ पर ना ये nuts काट के दिया है. Almond flakes है. The lychee water. I came here to try all the dim sums. Then I fell in love with the greens. Then I fell in love with the Peking duck. Now, after this, I think I'm in love with the dessert. The dessert is to die for. The dessert is cute and it's super refreshing, super nice. Now, the last item for today, which is the durian mochi. I love mochi. This looks very cute. There's powdered sugar on top. There is an Oreo biscuit. The mochi looks very good. But let's see whether I can like this or not because durian is not my personal favorite taste. But this looks so cutesy. Let's try. See, durian is a fruit which is very dear to all the people from the Southeast Asian countries. And obviously because of their weather temperature and all. Oh my god, this is so chilled. I'm just... ये हटा रही हूँ. Oreo biscuit. Oh, this is so soft. Velvety. The touch is so velvety. Oh, lovely, bro. It's cream. I think there is durian infused in the cream. So you're not getting the durian jelly. So it has a subtle taste. It's infused with the cream. So it's not too much durian. So I think I'm gonna like it. I'm not a durian person, durian lover, but the chef's talent to infuse a subtle taste of durian into the cream, it's making a bomb dessert. It's very good, very nice. And for mochi flour ka na, wo stickiness, it's very nice. It's so glutinous and so stretchy. The cream is so light. If you're ever planning to come to Vietnam, you should definitely give this place a must try. This is located at District 7. I'll mention down the details, all details below. I tell you one thing, Vietnam, I think Bao's Dim Sum really gave me a very nice experience in Vietnam. The food was really amazing. I am feeling so blessed and thankful that I got to taste the amazing dishes curated by the amazing chef of this place. And yeah, if you love this video, then make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section, आपको कौन सा वाला dish सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. लगा, डेजर्ट अच्छा लगा, बेवरेज अच्छा लगा, ग्रीन अच्छा लगा, पैकिंग डक अच्छा लगा, ये डिमसम अच्छा लगा. और yes, I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, happy eatings. Bye.
So guys, this is such a cute thing. Like this is so cute. It's a merchandise, Bao's dim sum merchandise. We paste from
They prepare everything for you because you guys took a very long distance to come here. We are really appreciate that you're taking your precious time to come.
Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much.